In a world where digital communication is king, chatbots have emerged as the new court jesters, dancing to the tune of automation and AI. From customer service to personal assistance, these digital entities have become an integral part of our daily interactions. With advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, chatbots are becoming more sophisticated, providing more human-like interactions. The creation of a chatbot might seem daunting, but in essence, it's a sequence of well-orchestrated steps. First off, the choice of the framework or platform is crucial. You might decide to build your chatbot from the ground up using a deep learning framework such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Alternatively, you could leverage pre-built platforms that provide APIs for creating conversational agents, like the one provided by OpenAI for their GPT models. The second step revolves around data collection and preparation. A chatbot is only as good as the data it learns from. The dataset should be diverse and relevant to the chatbot's intended purpose. Once collected, this data needs to be cleaned and formatted appropriately for training. Next comes the fine-tuning of the GPT model. If you've chosen to use OpenAI's GPT models, these can be adapted to your specific dataset using transfer learning. This involves loading the pre-trained GPT model and further training it with your data to adapt it to your specific use case. Once your model is trained and fine-tuned, it's time for deployment. This could involve hosting it on a server or using cloud services such as AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. The goal is to create an environment where users can interact with your chatbot seamlessly. After deployment, the chatbot needs a user interface. This could be a web-based chat interface, a mobile app, or integration with messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger or Slack. The interface should be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing users to interact with the chatbot with ease. With the chatbot in place, it's time for testing and iteration. Extensive testing helps identify issues and areas for improvement. Feedback from users is invaluable in refining the chatbot's design and functionality. Lastly, but by no means least, is monitoring and maintenance. Once your chatbot is live, its performance needs to be monitored and any arising issues addressed. This might involve updating the model with new data, fixing bugs, or adding new features. In summary, creating a chatbot is a journey that involves choosing the right framework or platform, collecting and preparing data, fine-tuning a GPT model, deploying the model, creating a user interface, testing and iterating, and finally, monitoring and maintaining the chatbot. It's not just about technical expertise, but also about understanding your audience, iterating based on feedback, and considering ethical implications. So, whether you're a tech startup looking to automate customer interactions or an individual curious about AI, the world of chatbots is a fascinating realm to explore.